everyone. In today's Celebrity Corner, let's discuss some recent news that's left many fans surprised and saddened. In September, it was reported that Joe Jonas, one of the Jonas Brothers stars, officially filed for divorce from his spouse, Sophie Turner. This news underscores the fact that even public figures face personal challenges and heartbreaks, and it's crucial that we approach this topic with some sensitivity. Joe Jonas and Sophie Turner's relationship has been in the public eye since they started dating. Their love story, from their engagement in 2017 to their beautiful wedding in 2019, has captured the hearts of many. But however, as we've learned, no relationship is immune to its share of difficulties, and sometimes couples reach a point where they feel that their relationship is irretrievably broken, as mentioned in their divorce filing. And while we can't speculate on the specific reasons behind their decision, it's important to remember that divorce is a deeply personal and emotional journey, regardless of one's fame. And in cases like this, celebrities like Joe Jonas and Sophie Turner often endure the added burden of public scrutiny and speculation, so it's vital that we respect their privacy during this time and refrain from making judgments. I think that Joe Jonas and Sophie Turner's situation serves as a reminder that even in the world of celebrities, there are moments of heartbreak and challenges. Our support and empathy are crucial during these times. And as we discuss this topic, please remember that the law office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. So if you have any questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.